Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix if the facial recognition in Windows 11 is not working or if it worked previously but not now. Let's see how you can fix it. So we have different solutions to resolve this problem. We will start with solution number 1. In this case, you have to open the Get Help app which comes pre-installed on your Windows 11. You can use the search on Windows to open the app, or you can also use the link mentioned in the video description to directly open the app. And it would also initiate with the troubleshoot Windows Hello face recognition prompt. The Get Help app uses AI and that can help you to resolve the problem with Windows Hello facial recognition. So all you need to do is just click on the start button here to run the troubleshooter and follow the on-screen instructions suggested by the Get Help app, because different devices might require different solutions. That is why you have to work with this Get Help app on-screen instructions to get this issue resolved. Then we have solution number 2. In this case, you have to open File Explorer, press Windows plus E keys to launch File Explorer, or you can also click on the File Explorer icon present on the taskbar. Once the File Explorer opens, go to this PC, then C drive or the drive where Windows is installed, then Windows, then System32, then WinBio plugins. In this folder, you need to check if the facial driver files are present. As you can see in this screen, I have the facial driver installed. That is why I have here the .dll files, which are basically for the facial driver. And in case if you have Microsoft Surface device, you may have here face driver named folder. All you need to do is just delete that folder if the permission allow, and you have to simply restart the Surface device. And after doing that, Windows will again regenerate the same folder. But if you are not on the Surface device and if you are on another device, just like me, you need to make sure that the face driver files are here. In case if this folder is empty for you, you can simply go to your device manufacturer's website and simply download the facial driver for your device model and install them. Once you install them, the folder will be automatically generated with the required files. Then we have solution number 3. In this case, I suggest you to open the settings app, right click on the start button and select settings. In the settings app, go to accounts, then sign in options. And here you can see that I have the facial recognition for Windows Hello already set up. Now what you have to do is you have to simply remove the existing pin. So simply expand pin and then click remove. Then click remove again in the confirmation. Then you will be asked to enter the password. Simply do that. Once the password is entered, you can see that the pin is now removed. And also the facial recognition is removed. And you can only set up facial recognition when you have already set up the Windows Hello pin. So now you have to set up the Windows Hello pin again. And once you set up the Windows Hello pin, you can now try setting up the facial recognition. And this time it should work. You can simply click on the setup button and then click get started to set up your facial recognition. Solution number 4. In this case, right click on the start button and select device manager. When the device manager window opens, expand biometric devices, and here you will find facial recognition Windows Hello software device. Right click on this and select update driver. In case if it says the best drivers for your device is already installed, you can click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update, and this will launch the Windows Update page in the settings app. Now make sure that you download and install all the latest updates available to you. Then we have solution number 5. Right click on the start button and select device manager. In the device manager window, expand cameras. Then here you must have the IR based webcam installed because the facial recognition does not works on the normal webcam. So just double click on the IR based webcam and make sure that the device status is this device is working properly. Additionally, you can go to driver tab, and if you have already updated the driver and still facing the issue, you can try the rollback driver option here, which will be only visible once you update the driver. And if you have the proper drivers installed, still while setting up the facial recognition things are not working, you can just go to the events tab on this property sheet and check the events triggered here. And if anything looks suspicious, you can try reinstalling the driver. Then we have solution number 6. In this case, we will use group policy to manage facial recognition features. Simply do a right click on the start button and select run. In run window, type gpedit.msc and click OK. In the group policy editor window, go to computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows components, biometrics, and inside biometrics folder, you will be able to locate the policy setting named allow users to log on using biometrics, which is not configured by default. Just double click on it and set it to enabled and then click apply followed by OK. Repeat this for the another policy, allow the use of biometrics. Just double click on it and set it to enabled and click OK. And in case if you have domain users who want to use the facial recognition feature, you must enable the policy named allow domain users to log on using biometrics. And once you enable these policies, just close the group policy editor. Simply do a right click on the start button and select run again and type gp update space /force command and press the enter key or click OK. In few moments, you will see that the computer policy update has completed successfully. This means the group policies we configured are now in effect and the issue must be resolved now. And then we come to the last solution for this video guide. And this solution is dedicated if you are having trouble setting up the facial recognition. So when you have the proper drivers installed, webcam installed, still if you are not able to set up the facial recognition, Microsoft has provided some tips for that, and this information is referenced from this Microsoft support article. Its link has been mentioned in the video description as well. So you need to make sure that the camera is clean and unobstructed. You need to also check your lighting. If there is a harsh or particularly bright light coming from one side or other, Windows Hello might have a harder time recognizing you, and the facial recognition may fail in this case. And in case if your computer is managed by your work or school IT administrator, they may have turned on enhanced anti-spoofing for Windows Hello. So you just need to consult with them if this case is true. And some styles and brands of makeup can make it more difficult for facial recognition to recognize you. Some type of hats or other accessories that frame your face can also cause trouble with Windows Hello facial recognition. And also, if you are wearing glasses or if you change your facial hair, you must rescan your face to have the facial recognition properly working on your Windows 11 device. So these are the things you can try if the facial recognition is not working for you. And if you still have the issue, do let me know in your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and I'll see you in the next video.